Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can restore the missing phone icon on the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home key at the bottom of the screen. Then we're going to swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, go down and tap on lock screen, and then go down and tap on shortcuts. Make sure shortcuts is turned on, and then tap on left shortcut. Now at the moment you can see it is switch off, so tap on it to switch it on. Once it is switched on, go down and look for the phone icon. So I'm just going to see if I can find it. So at the moment it is set to phone already, so we don't need to do anything. If it is set to another app, you can choose the phone icon. So down here and tap on phone, and then that's it. Now tap on the back key and tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Now if we go to the lock screen, we can check it out, and now you can see I have successfully restored the missing phone icon on the lock screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.